bought this egg cooker a while ago and I absolutely love it. Basically what you have here is for boiled eggs, and you can have other compartments if you want to steam your eggs. On the bottom of this container, you have a needle and you poke the non-pointy end of the egg, put the pointy end down, and then you fill up the container, and I put it all the way up to the top. Fill that up with water, stick it in this little area right here, and put the lid on. And that will cook. Once it's done cooking, it will beep and beep and beep until you come and turn it off or unplug it. And it makes the best hard-boiled eggs that I have. These are farm fresh eggs, and I love these especially for when I go out to my chicken coop and get my eggs. These are one of the only ways I can make these without them completely like destroying the egg whenever I peel them. As you can tell here, it has only been on for just a minute or two, and it's boiling inside. And that's what it sounds like when it is all done. And I've already cut them and salt and peppered them, but you can clearly see that the whites are perfectly intact and the yolks are boiled nicely. I love this thing.